What's up, boys and girls, if there's any? It's your boy. We're back. Like I never left, right? We're back out here. Rushing again. Going to playoff game right now. So it's a one and done. Rushing to my game right now. I got all my baseball stuff. I'm literally in flops because I'm literally rushing. I grabbed everything and left. I didn't get much sleep last night because I wanted, like I told you guys in the last video, I went to pick up my boy Jonathan at the airport, and I got home at like 4 in the morning. Then I was up at like 9, and then I just took like a 1-hour nap just now. And if it wasn't for my girl that woke me up, I probably would have missed the game. That would have been bad, bro. So yeah, now I'm just on my way to the game. Car feels good as always. Put it in sport because we don't really got time to play, and we're just gonna head to the game, bro. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, man. We guys have been doing great lately, amazing, and I really appreciate you guys. And if you appreciate the grind, make sure you subscribe and drop a like. But hey, don't forget to like. If you guys saw the video where Eamon said, yo, if we get this video to 1,000 likes, you buy me a steering wheel. Yo, you guys better go like that video if you guys want to see these POV drives in a new way. But it's either way, I love you guys. So couple things. Well, the light that hasn't came back on ever since that day, or ever since I like cleaned it and put it back. But we'll test it out today again. I've been testing it out every day. Nothing has happened. Everything seems fine right now, which is great for my pockets. So we're just gonna keep rolling with it like that and see how long it could go. Hopefully it could go for forever like this, because you know, save some money towards something else. That's the goal. But yeah, chilling like a villain. Hey, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Oh my god, car sounds good. Follow me on Instagram. I want to start posting like little clips on like reels and stuff like that. I know I don't really be posting on Instagram, but I want to go on there just because I knew this from before, but I still like I just been so focused on YouTube that I don't know. I just feel like Instagram is not the same as YouTube for me. I like YouTube more, but Instagram it's like a good way to, you know, make short clips and get in front of, you know, a lot of people. So I really want to start posting on there at least like maybe like a video a day of like a short reel or of some sort. Maybe it'll be like just a little cool view of the car, like me driving and whatnot. But definitely follow me on there just because I'm gonna start doing little clips like that. Well, yeah, man, we go. Car sounds good. I was driving the big body X5 today, Amen's car. We went to do something, and I was driving it. I was gonna make a POV on it, but there was so much traffic that I was barely driving. I was mostly moving little by little in traffic. That's literally it. It was a lot of traffic. So if you guys want to see a POV drive in the X5 that Eamon got, let me know. Comment below, and then I could do that. But something really cool is happening over there, man. Boy, Amen, man. That guy is special, bro. Got something cool happening. But yeah, that's all I can say. Go ahead and see if we can knock down a couple minutes, because the game is at 8. It says I get there at 7:55. My guy told me to try to be here at 7:30 just so we can get ready and all that. Yeah, I'm getting there 5 minutes before the game, so I'm trying to rush a little bit just so I can warm up, stretch, throw, and get ready for game time. So should be a good game today, going against a good team. And yeah, let's see what happens. If we take this dub, we move on. If we lose, we go home. Simple. funny codes. Is the wind too loud, guys? I don't even know if it is. So I'll just put the window up. You guys like the ambient lighting? I don't know, I always rock this pinkish purplish color, but I do have a ton of different colors. I don't know, I always rock that one. Let's rock something different, you know? Let's do... I was having some problems with that one over there on the right. It was like flickering in and out. I figured I messed it up once I did like interior cleaning stuff on there and I sprayed it all over, and I think that really threw my thing off guard. But I just took off the door and all that stuff, and then I just unplugged everything, plugged it back in, and so far no issues. So I think it was more like a plug thing than anything else. Bill, hold up, wait a minute, it's a chopper. Boy Jonathan, what's up with him? Let's see what. Yo, ¿qué lo que, patrón?
What's goody, what's goody?
Chilling. Say what's up to YouTube.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? What's going on?
This is the myth, the legend, Jonathan JD Explicit Whips.
I'm like the Undertaker. I'm coming back from the dead.
Hey, facts. What's good, bro?
You doing a POV?
Yes, sir. I'm on my way to a playoff game today, bro. We win, we continue. We lose, we go home. And I'm late. I was supposed to be there.
Hey, chat. Let's bet down below.
Wait. Say that.
Mr. Stick's gonna do today? Is he gonna go 3 for 3?
Yeah.
Is he gonna do 1 for 3 with a home run? Or is he gonna go 0 for 0 with a golden sombrero?
Oh, shoot. Never that.
Both may never know.
If y'all bet that, y'all crazy. But hey, you know. Está llamando este. Yeah, ¿y tú en qué estás, loco?
¿Muy loco? Going to the gym.
Oh. Ya yo iba ahí, pero no he tenido chance. No he tenido
chance today, my friend.
No chance today, my friend. Tú sabes que estaba en bici esta mañana, no podemos decir mucho porque tú sabes que estamos en video, pero ya tú sabes, una grasita por ahí.
Listen, one question only. Say yes or no.
So what's up?
Very cool or no cool?
Very cool, a couple issues. Yo te...
fucking dumb.
Ya tú sabes, pues yo te lo hablamos de eso ahorita. Yo te llamo ahorita, para te digo.
Dale, mi loco.
Pues that's all. Bro, appreciate you. Alright.
Gotcha.
Yo, Jonathan's too funny, bro. Alright, hold on. My other boy was calling me. ¿Qué es lo que, patrón? Cocho, el hombre que más trabaja.
Ya tú sabes, manito.
No, yo aquí voy doing a little POV drive to the game, que I'm running late already because me dormí ahí en la casa un ratico y se me hizo tarde. Si Emily no me levantaba, loco, yo creo que me quedaba roncando the whole time.
Really? You were knocked out?
Out, bro. I was gone. But aquí voy en el 40,000 a todo lo que da.
Toda tarde.
Yes, sir. Game is at 8. It says I get there 7:56.
Now you on time, nigga.
I know, but we wanted to get there a little early because, you know, it's playoff. You know, I wanted to stretch for real. I never stretch, throw. Yo llego y es para el juego de una vez.
De una vez te tiras.
Muchacho. Yo una vez I started the game with Crocs on because the game has started. So I jumped in with that and then until the next inning, then I switched. But,
God damn.
Yeah.
Damn, nigga, look. Aquí lo embocaron a uno.
¿Lo qué?
There was a cop behind them. So it looks like this nigga took like an exit.
Yeah.
There was 2 cops behind him and a cop in front of him, like facing the car. So I think they locked that nigga in there.
Oh no. Shoot.
Now yo estoy llegando a Vainita ahora, a Florida.
Yeah.
Pero hours and a half left.
How long? 3 hours?
3.5.
Damn, bro. I feel like I talked to you mad long ago, but you still on the road, bro.
Nigga, we did talk mad long ago. Nigga, I watched 2 episodes. Nigga.
Damn, son.
That's the shit, nigga.
Ya. Bueno, pana. Chilling rulay, chilling rulieta. Aquí.
Ya tú sabes, loco por llegar.
I see if my team comes to play today, man. I see if we take this dub real quick. It's a good team we're going against. Team, they nice, but we nice too when we come to play. When we start trolling and shit, right. Nah, that thing goes bad. But you know, vamos a ver qué pasa. Pero nada, déjame yo te llamo ahorita cuando salga, cause you'll probably still be on the road. Déjame terminar este videito aquí. Alright, bro, hablamos. Suave por ahí. Alright. Those are my boys right there, man. My dog Miguel. He's in the big body. He drives trucks. He be going to freaking Florida, and so I'm like, bro, I don't know how you do that thing, cause yo, I can't be in a car or a truck. Imagine driving a big ass truck for hours, bro. Good money, but that thing is a lot of work. You know what I'm saying? I like my other little hustles. Like 40,000, man. I definitely got a couple things. I gotta do an oil change on this baby. I want to check my spark plugs and my coils, because I heard Eamon talking about that, and I was like, I've never actually changed my coils. I've changed my spark plugs and all that, but I want to change that. I want to really just to service the whole car, bro. If I'm being honest, like I want to just do everything, like the sparks, the coils, the what's it called? Oh, what the heck? The where did I left off? Spark plugs, coils, the oil, engine oil, transmission oil, axle oil, everything oil, bro. I wanna really reset this car in terms of like maintenance. I just wanna get everything done to it. That way I know everything is good, and then kinda go from there. But we are almost here at the park. Since we get there in 3 minutes. Rushing a bit. But as always, man, I really appreciate you guys. Your boy's gonna continue to grind, find ways to make content for you guys and all of that. And I appreciate you guys enjoying the videos, bro. Yes, sir. One last pull for y'all. Yes, sir. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're at the field, and that light, shoot, I didn't even see it, if I'm being honest. And yeah, we're at the field now. Run there, change real quick, and get to the game. Appreciate you guys, man. Much love to you guys. If you guys want to see another video of me driving, check out this video right here on the top right. I'll see you guys over there, man. Peace.